Now let's test the same URL using another tool, SEOptimer or SEOptimer. SEOptimer.com. So basically go to their website and paste in the URL. But remember, with free account, if you don't register for premium account, you've got a limited number of URLs to test. I think about 3 per day. But obviously, if it's only for your own website, you can do it gradually. So basically, paste in your URL and click audit. Okay, so we've got a score and let's analyze what we can find. So we can find details about title tags. Obviously, green tick is that it's fine, and the red cross, if you find red cross, it means that it needs work. So basically, meta title, meta description, Google snippet, body contents, obviously heading tags. Okay, we've got red cross, keyword consistency, but it shows red cross for almost every single website. Okay, amount of content is good. Image alt tags obviously tells you that not all images have got alt tags. Okay, no broken links. All URLs are friendly. Okay, and all looks fine. And also you find that if your analytics is generated or is integrated well, so it's a little bit more detailed than a previous tool. Because it also shows how how your website displays on smaller screens. It shows if you use Flash and so on. And obviously, what is the speed? Website speed. So this is really useful. Obviously, more technical terms you might not be familiar with, but the most basic ones when starting your online business, I would mainly focus on any broken links, friendly URLs, image alt tags, Google snippets, hashtags, and so on. So the top part of this report.